Hey, Jenny Bradley here, founder of Triangle Smart Divorce in Cary, North Carolina, and I'm going to explain why divorce and equitable distribution are not related at all when it comes to the timing of either. So the first thing you should know is that there are two ways to divide property in North Carolina. One is by private agreement between spouses, and the other one is by court order. Private agreement is typically called a separation agreement and property settlement, and you'll hear people shorthand that quite frequently to separation agreement. But what we're really talking about is a contract between two spouses dealing with how their property is going to be divided. And the other way is by court order. That can either be done by consent of the parties or by going to court and having a judge decide who gets what. Now, you should know that either one of those things, the separation agreement or the court order, whichever it may be, can happen before divorce. The timing of divorce is irrelevant as to when property can be divided. And that blows a little bit of everyone's minds. I mean, Jenny, are you saying that I can resolve everything before I get divorced? Yes, that's exactly what I mean. On the flip side, you should also know that because justice turns very slowly, if you're not able to reach an agreement on your own, you very well may be divorced and still be waiting on your property division from the court, either to have your day in court or waiting on a decision from the judge. So I want you to know that the timing of the division of your stuff and your divorce are not related at all. But there's a gotcha here to be very aware of. The gotcha is, in the state of North Carolina, if you go to court seeking a divorce and you've made no claim for your property division at all, then you're going to be forever barred, forever stopped from seeking a property division from the court. And that's a bunch of fancy legal words, so let me try to break it down for you a little. If you do not have your property divided by agreement or court order, and when I say agreement, I mean a written agreement, signed and notarized, do not just file for divorce, because you could forever lose your right to have your property divided in this state. Forever. We've had people come into our office that have done that very thing, and there's a lot of mistakes the law is generous with and lets us correct. This is not one of them. So be very careful about filing for divorce and not yet having your property division. Be sure you have a claim pending if you have property you want divided. Okay, that's enough of a warning for you. This video should come with a big red flashing sign. Warning, warning, warning. If you have questions about whether you should file for divorce and not seek any property division, or if you have questions about how you can resolve your property before getting divorced, please give us a call.